What's up, YouTube? Coming at you guys back with another video. Today we have an unboxing from Overland Designs. We have the suede Alcantara shift boot and the ring and the factory assembly. I went ahead and went with that option as well. So we will do an unboxing on that. We'll also get that installed really quickly, and I'll take you guys along so you can see the steps in getting that installed. But before we get started, just want to thank everybody for all the support that I have gotten. If you guys have subscribed, thank you so much. If this is your first time on the channel and you guys enjoy Civic Type R content or just automotive content in general, please take a second and hit that like button if you like the video, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see additional content. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright guys, so we have a package from Overland Designs, so I will go ahead and start with the unboxing. Alright, so we got some industrial grade paintbrushes. Pretty funny box. Alright, so this is the piece here, the Alcantara suede shift boot with the new collar already attached and the brand new shift boot assembly. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested in this product for your car. I just wanted to change it up, you know, maybe go with some higher grade quality. With the shift boot. Also have some other pieces coming in as well, so stay tuned for that. I'll show you those pieces once I get in the car, but some pieces that take a little bit longer just due to them being on back order through Honda. So but this piece right here, I ordered this I believe on Sunday evening and it was shipped to me on Wednesday, so very quick service, and from the feel of it, good high quality material as well. So that's enough with the unboxing. Let's head down to the car and let's get this installed. Everyone, so we're in the car now, and like I said, we're just going to be removing this trim piece, and we're going to be replacing this OEM leather shift boot with the new Overland Designs Alcantara shift boot. Kept the same red stitching just to kind of match the look, just upgrade in quality in my opinion. Also, while we're at this, I went ahead and switched from the J's Racing knob and the J's Racing shift boot back to OEM. Just thought that with the direction that I'm going with my interior, that the OEM look would be a better fit for what I'm looking at or looking for. So that's already been sold. The shift knob and the J's Racing shift boot have both been sold. So I will be using the stock shift knob to go with the new piece, the new Alcantara shift boot. The other pieces that I've ordered that I'm still waiting on are these wing trim pieces that go around here. I am looking to also have those upgraded with the black Alcantara with the red stitching, and also the hood, or the over dash hood. So looking to get this replaced as well. Up top, I ordered the black Alcantara with the red stitching as well, and the underside did get that in red, just to kind of change it up a little bit. I am also looking to do something with the steering wheel. The OEM steering wheel is nice, I have no complaints about it, but the Alcantara ones do look really nice. But I am a little just wary on how that's going to wear with this being touched a lot. How's that Alcantara going to hold up over time? So I may go with a different option, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated on if I do anything with the steering wheel. I want to see how the other pieces look first, and then if I feel like the steering wheel is sticking out, like it needs to be modded as well, then maybe I'll look to make a change there. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the install. The first things you'll need is you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. I have a 17mm wrench. You'll need that to get the shift boot ring. You need to get that to remove that, and also have some auto trim removal, plastic removal trim. So you will want to use this as well, so that you're not scratching your interior using something like a flathead. You'll want to stick to the plastic pieces. So let's go ahead and get started with the install. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to use is the plastic trim piece here. We're going to squeeze in between this piece right here and just kind of push up, and then you can kind of wiggle the rest out. Let's go on this side and do the same thing. Just kind of lift up just a little bit. Should pop up. And then with these, just want to kind of pull straight back, just add a little wiggle. I'll put these down here. Then you'll want to use your Phillips head screwdriver. We'll have 4 screws, 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. We'll have 2 on each side right here, and then your 2 right there. Just remove these. Then once you get those taken out, just kind of lift up on this assembly. There we go. Then you'll have 3 connections to unplug. 1 here, and then 2 on this side, 1 there, and then that's your second one. So now this piece can move, and then we'll just loosen the shift knob. Put that over here. Then to remove this piece, you're going to want to separate this black ring lock and this silver piece right here, this silver trim. So just get a plastic removal trim. Just kind of wiggle those in, add some down pressure, and you should be able to separate those. Then from here, this is where we're going to get our wrench. And we're going to just loosen this piece there. And we'll just loosen this piece off. All right, so once that piece is off, we'll put that to the side as well, and we'll just lift straight up. And then here is our OEM shift boot, and we'll be reusing these side pieces, and we'll take off this Type R piece as well. and we will connect that to our Alcantara piece. All right, so for this part, you'll have what looks like 6 Phillips screws. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and looks like 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We'll take off these 2 pieces and we'll use these 2 pieces to reattach them to the new shift boot. So let's take these off. So that piece comes off, which will need to go here. Make sure that those 2 pieces, those 2 screws are aligned. Transfer these over. So we got 1/2 of the pieces in.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
Alright guys, now that we have both pieces from the sides removed, all screws removed as well, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to press this piece in, and that should pop out the Type R piece right there. So we'll squeeze this and just kind of press, and it will remove the Type R piece. So this is our old leather or OEM leather shift boot, and we have now removed that and taken all the pieces off that are no longer needed. This is our new piece. We have these 2 pieces which are now attached, and next we will add the Type R piece. And so first I will connect this piece here. connect these two pieces. One there. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and press this in. Oh my. There we go. Get the cable out the way. There, that is secured. I'm gonna move this down just a little bit. Screw this back on. There we go. All right, and then attach the screws. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you guys are able to follow along with the installation. Really nice quality, good piece from Overland Designs. I'm very happy with the quality of the piece. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the other pieces that are coming in, the gauge hood cover and the wing trim pieces on the side of the shift boot as well. So yeah, really excited for those, and once those come in, I'll unbox those and install those for you guys as well. But if you guys enjoyed the content, definitely hit a like button, and if you enjoy watching Civic Type bar content or just general automotive content in general, hit the subscribe button as well. And once again, thank you to everybody who supported the channel. If you've watched the video, if you've hit that like button, and definitely the subscribers, definitely appreciate it guys. So with that, I'm out.